5 colorful ducks with colors so bright, one off to the pond and out of sight. Red, blue, yellow, green, and purple too. Mama, Dad, Quack, come back, quack, quack. But only 4 came swimming back. Blue, yellow, green, and purple. 4 colorful ducks with feathers so fine, splashed in the stream in a wobbly line. Blue, yellow, green, and purple too. Mama, Dad, Quack, come back, quack, quack. But only 3 came swimming back. Yellow, green, and purple. 3 colorful ducks with colors that shine, played in the grass near the tall pine. Yellow, green, and purple too. Mama, Dad, Quack, came back, quack, quack. But only 2 came swimming back. Green, green, purple. 2 colorful ducks having some fun, jumped in the puddles one by one. Green and purple, oh